This is Mike, Wildcat Hollow Farm. Around right after dawn this morning, I come up to the pond, threw a bank line in to see what kind of turtles we have in here. Well, I come up here a little while ago. I had a feeling. It's just about 2 o'clock now. I was up here a couple hours ago cutting brush and nothing. But I had a feeling, so I come back up here and I got one. No idea how big he is. He's still in the water. I'm gonna set the camera up so I can video it when I pull him in. Yeah, see where that water bottle's at? He's on the other end of it. I'm gonna grab the line and start pulling him in. When I get him up on shore here, I'll change camera around again and let you see. Oh, he's pretty good size. And not happy. Come on. Ugh. Yeah, he's got the other hook stuck in his foot. Come on. Ugh. 25 pounds. His head is not too small, too much smaller than the toe of my boot. But, yeah, he's not going to go to waste. Got a friend coming over here that's going to get him, take him home, make turtle soup out of him. I can't do it at the moment, or I would. I don't have anything to refrigerate the extra milk or the extra meat in, and I don't want it to go bad. So he's just going to stay like he is for now. Put him back in the water, he'll relax. But he swallowed the hook pretty good. I'm not reaching in there to get it out. I like my fingers, and it won't be 20 minutes or so before the guy's here to get him. But, yep, we definitely have turtles in here, and some big ones. I don't know if this is the apex guy out of the pond, but I'd say he's probably pretty close to it if he isn't.